So I'm contributing 5,000 to the cause, the Bank of Hope, where we want to see justice for all and equality in terms of opportunities, in terms of the great work that the 8073 network is doing. So thank you very much. Yeah.
And about yourself?
So yeah, we as Maths Genius stand for giving a shot at life for everybody. So we believe that if knowledge is shared, if skills are shared, then everyone can be capacitated to be better, to have a good shot at life in their pursuit of happiness.